I want to set the scene a little in terms of your expectations of what good security is. Let me ask you a question. What do you think are the top 3 things you need to do to stay safe online? Have a think about it. Well, did you answer any of the following? Antivirus, visiting only known websites, deleting cookies, changing passwords? Well, if you answered any of those, then I have news for you. You're not doing the best things to secure yourself online. Google produced a report called "No One Can Hack My Mind: Comparing Expert and Non-Expert Security Practices." This explored the comparison between what security experts answered to this question and non-experts. And this graph here is a summary of some of the results. Unfortunately, there is a huge discrepancy between what non-experts think is the right thing to do to protect themselves and what really does provide security. So we're going to cover more effective ways to stay secure online throughout this course, instead of what the average person thinks are the right things to do, because you've been potentially misled by claims from security and antivirus companies.